Hey folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Wednesday, October 17th, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Well, folks, a great trading day again today. Markets of late have been phenomenal. The money is like you're the Federal Reserve and you have your own printing press in your basement, wherever you might have it. Maybe a money tree out back you can just pluck whenever you want. Let's go over some of what the market's doing today. Number one, the S&P 500 is trading up about 3.5 points. NASDAQ is down 2 points. Dow is down 24. Now, the markets, as you can see, have fallen off their highs pretty nicely. Now are bouncing back. But the key, again, to recognize here is the rollover and how it happened. And this is one of the case studies I want to go in with you. I want to talk to you about why I took a trade I did and how I made money on it. Let's learn. First off, as the market rallied this morning, this was a key level. This was my first spider scalp of the day. And by the way, I scalp everything. You know, I scalp stocks, small caps, mid caps, large caps, ETFs, dollar, whatever. I mean, it doesn't matter. If the trade is there and the PPT methodology tells me to, I trade it. That's simple. So again, I knew right away this was your key level. Why? Because if you zoom out on the charts and go back here, all right, there's a key gap fill. And again, I know it's hard to see when I'm zooming out this much, but there's a gap fill right there at 146.14. So sure enough, with the chat room, I said, all right, guys, let's short this thing. And sure enough, it pulls back. We made some good money on it. And again, you can see it pulls back right to this first line right here. Then it starts to advance. We get above the line here. And the question that has to be asked is, does it confirm above? The answer is no, it doesn't confirm. Then you get a pullback candle, and then you get a pop making a new high of the day, and then it pulls back. That's a topping tail, folks. Topping tail, dead on indicator. When that formed, I shorted. All right, I shorted some spiders there. All right, the reason why I shorted the spiders is because you never confirmed above that blue line either. So no confirmation. You have a topping tail. Markets are short-term extended over the last few days. All the way from here, it made sense. It was logical. The methodology told me to do so. Sure enough, I start waiting. And the market really doesn't pay me. It doesn't pay me yet. I have to wait sideways, sideways, sideways. We get a time count. At that time count, I knew that was going to be the key. It was either going to go in my direction or not. And I was ready based on any circumstance to either profit or take a small loss. Based on the fact that the topping tail was there and we never confirmed, I still believed I was in the right and we would get profits. Market all of a sudden does not break out on a time count. Instead, that means it's going to fail. When you don't go on a time count, usually you end up failing. The market collapses back down. Beautiful drop here. All right, guys, across the board, just a sweet, beautiful thing. So sure enough, we got a beautiful rollover. As it comes down, I knew the 50 MA was going to be support. 50 MA comes down, take profits there, and I switch and go long. My long trade was right down here. Pierced it, beautiful rollover. I started making money on the long side. All right, guys, this is how it's done. This is how you maneuver. This is how you read the charts correctly. All right, today, no losing trades for me. All winners across the board. Generally, I make money on 9 out of every 10 day trades I do. Today's even a little bit better than that. All right, but the point again is the market is here to trade, and if you know what you're doing, you can make money. I mean, it's that simple and crazy. You can make money, folks. Okay? Let's go over a couple other things. What's going on today? Why is the market up today? Well, it's not up because of IBM, and really, in all fairness, the market isn't up. I mean, the S&P's up, but the NASDAQ and the Dow is down. And one of the reasons why the Dow, actually the only reason why the Dow is down is because of IBM. IBM's down almost $12 today. Single-handedly, this is 100 points down on the NASDAQ. Excuse me, on the Dow. Does everyone realize that? 100 points down on the Dow just in IBM alone. I remember, Dow's only 30 stocks. So this type of drop on IBM, which is the biggest component, is going to have a huge impact. So the Dow would actually be up like 75 points today if it wasn't for IBM. If IBM was just flat, the Dow would be up 75 points. Crazy to think about, in my opinion. Absolutely nuts. I think it's one of the most ridiculous indexes out there. Ridiculous, because it's 30 stocks. Now, the S&P and the NASDAQ, it's a broader range. You get a true sense about whether or not it's strong or not. But in any case, Good bounce here. I actually scalped this a little while ago. I could see a bounce forming right here along support. I just grabbed a quick, $300 or whatever on IBM on a profit side as well. And that's the thing, folks. I'm not looking for, $10,000 a day trade. I look to take singles and doubles, $300, $500 here, $700 there, $300, $400 there, that type of thing. But when you do 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a day, you're making $2,000 to $5,000. And again, as long as you cut your losses when they come quickly, then it's fine. And here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, I'll teach you how to day trade. I'll teach you how to swing trade. I'll give you swing trades. I'll give you day trades. It's there. It is awesome. Best career in my existence. I mean, there's nothing better. I mean, to be up a couple G's today, I made multiple thousands yesterday. Monday, I made, I think, $1,500 on Monday. I mean, I'm up $7,000 for the week, and it's only Wednesday, and that's just from day trading. Let's not even talk about swing trading, where I took some profits on Google earlier in the week, and anything else that may come in terms of income, whether it's real estate or whatever. But this is the best. This is the best way about it, guys. I mean, this is where it's all at. All right, let's take a look at a couple other things. J.P. Morgan Chase today. J.P. Morgan. This is a bear flag on JPM, guys. JPM may be a short coming in soon. I actually think the spiders should pull back off of this level too. You just kind of pierced the 20 MA, so look for a possible pullback on the spiders here, folks. You have a little bit of an in-spirit of. If it closes above the 20, then I don't like it as much, although technically it has to confirm above. But this is definitely an interesting little area here. I don't like the size of this candle personally, but nonetheless, it's not bad. And again, the amount of trades I've done just in the spiders alone has just been awesome for awesome profits. Let me just see what else we have here. Dollar's getting hammered today, down 11 cents on the UUP. That's one of the main reasons why the markets are up today. Another stock under pressure is Intel. Intel is lower based on earnings. However, Cree had good earnings and is up $3 on the day. And ISRG, which gapped down sizably, is actually positive on the day. One of my members did a beautiful trade here. I just want to show you guys this one. It just makes me happy when my traders do this type of thing, because it's the methodology. So ISRJ surges up early off the gap down, goes right to gap fill. He shorts it. I think he made like 3.5 on the first half of his trade and over $5 in profits on the second. And we're talking in minutes, guys, because when this thing pulled back, it was just so quick. And again, this is what I train these guys to do, and they do it amazingly well. All right, so just always keep that in mind, guys. It's there for the taking. Whether you're a swing trader, a day trader, a long-term investor, I don't care. Methodology works. I'm living proof of it as I continue to make money day after day here. And again, this week alone, fantastic in terms of profits. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. I will talk to you all soon. Take care.